So our new antifreeze tester, once you save your engine from freezing or any overheating, you'll need to test a coolant mixture. I'm going to show you exactly how to use our standard antifreeze tester. This tool not only measures the exact freezing points of your coolant, it will tell you if the mixture is either too weak or too concentrated. It works most with style ethylene glycol mixtures, and I'm going to show you what happens when you just have water in your engine, that it's going to actually not do anything. So now you can imagine if this was in your engine, you can see it's showing absolutely nothing just by tapping it, making sure that there you can see. Now in winter, that is going to cause that your engine is either going to have a cold start or everything inside is going to be frozen. Okay, now we're going to test with our antifreeze, and from here we can see how concentrated it is actually going to be. So I'm just opening up. Here I'm opening up my radiator cap and I am inserting in the nozzle. You'll see I'm going to be squeezing the bottle and I'm going to ensure that I fill with till the top of the brim. You'll see I'm going to just tap it so that it actually equalizes. Then you can see that my radiator is actually from a minus 25 degrees, so I can actually see how concentrated it is. Going forward, guys, this is an easy tool to use and it's perfect to show how concentrated your radiator actually is.